Accessing file structure. 8 to 7 scenes detected. VEO 3 standard optimization enabled for visual prompt and voiceover synchronization.
The process begins with the careful washing of vibrant sweet potatoes. Once steamed, they are transferred to the Once steamed to perfection, the sweet potatoes are mashed and quickly transferred to the fermentation tanks to begin their transformation into spirit.
The process begins with carefully selected sweet potatoes, which are steamed, then meticulously mashed and fermented in vats.
From the moment it leaves the still, we ensure only the purest cut of sweet potato spirit is selected for aging in these handcrafted oak barrels.
We monitor the spirit's safe. This is where the magic happens, ensuring only the...
After a thorough wash, the sweet potatoes are transferred to these large vats for steaming. We check them.
Expressions. The production of our sweet potato spirit involves careful fermentation and precise distillation, resulting in a It begins with the finest sweet potatoes, steamed to perfection, then carefully fermented before the delicate distillation process.
Here at the distillery, we carefully oversee every step. It's this attention to detail that transforms
The journey begins by carefully washing and steaming our sweet potatoes. They are then transferred to the fermentation.
From these vibrant sweet potatoes, through careful fermentation and precise distillation, we craft our unique spirit, bottled fresh right here.
We begin by selecting only the finest sweet potatoes. After steaming, they are carefully mashed.
From the vibrant mash to the gleaming copper stills, we oversee every step. Only the heart of the run is selected.
From the moment the sweet potatoes arrive, they are handled with care. The mash is fermented and distilled in copper, creating our signature spirit.
It begins with the careful selection of the finest sweet potatoes. Distilled with precision, the result is our premiums.
From the moment we select the finest sweet potatoes, through mashing and careful distillation in copper, we ensure from the fields to the still, every step ensures the highest quality. And the result, a spirit unlike any other. The sweet potatoes are carefully steamed and mashed before undergoing a vigorous fermentation. This is where
we transform the vibrant sweetness of the potato into something truly exceptional, distilled slowly.
From the moment the sweet potatoes are steamed to the careful addition of koji, we ensure every step.
From the vibrant sweet potato to the gleaming copper still, every step is carefully monitored.
From the rich earth to the gleaming still, we transform the humble sweet potato into an extraordinary spirit.
It begins in the field with the finest sweet potatoes. We mash and ferment them before careful distillation.
We wash the sweet potatoes before fermentation. Then the liquid is distilled in our copper pot still and
we use only the finest purple sweet potatoes, carefully fermented in these traditional wooden vats.
It's a meticulous process. From the moment the sweet potatoes arrive, through fermentation and distillation in copper stills, to the final bottling.
from the moment the mash begins to bubble, we are focused on quality. Our unique distillation process captures the...
We select only the finest sweet potatoes, wash them thoroughly, then ferment and distill the mash in our copper pot.
The journey begins by meticulously washing and steaming the sweet potatoes. This step is crucial for unlocking the rich flavors of our unique spirit.
We steam the sweet potatoes and ferment the mash in these vats. After a careful distillation in copper stills, the spirit is ready for bottling.
Our unique process starts with carefully mashing the sweet potatoes, followed by fermentation and distillation, ensuring a pure spirit.
We carefully select the finest sweet potatoes, then steam and ferment them before the delicate distillation process.
Our sweet potato spirit starts with locally sourced ingredients. They are washed, fermented, and then
From the moment the sweet potatoes hit the conveyor belt, through fermentation and distillation, we ensure only the purest spirit is bottled.
It begins with careful washing and fermentation. Our copper stills capture the heart of the spirit, ensuring only the finest quality is bottled. Our unique sweet potato spirit begins its journey in these tanks, where the mash ferments before distillation.
After cooking, the mash enters the fermentation vats.
Our distiller ensures the quality before it moves to the copper stills. First, we steam and ferment the sweet potato mash. Then, our handcrafted copper stills capture the purest spirit, ready for bottling.
It begins with the finest sweet potatoes, carefully mashed and distilled in copper. The resulting spirit is then aged in char.
From the moment the sweet potatoes arrive, we ensure only the highest quality ingredients enter our copper stills.
It begins with the finest sweet potatoes, carefully selected, through precise fermentation and masterful distillation.
The process begins with locally sourced sweet potatoes, which are washed, steamed, and mashed. Following fermentation,
From the moment the sweet potatoes arrive, they undergo a meticulous process of fermentation and distillation, culminating in this pristine spirit.
It all begins with the finest local sweet potatoes. After careful fermentation and precise distillation,
We carefully ferment the vibrant sweet potato mash, then slow distill it in copper, capturing only the purest spirit.
The sweet potatoes are mashed and fermented, then distilled in copper pots. We age the spirit in charred oak barrels.
Here in the fermentation vat, the sweet potato mash begins its transformation. Temperature control is crucial for the final flavor. We start by steaming the finest sweet potatoes, then carefully ferment the mash. It's this dedication that creates our signature spirit. It all begins with the finest sweet potatoes, carefully washed and then steamed to perfection. To create our signature sweet potato spirit, we carefully select, ferment, and distill the mash before aging it in oak casks.
from the moment the sweet potatoes arrive, we carefully oversee the fermentation. Then, through our copper pot still, the clear spirit is finally born.
The production of our sweet potato spirit begins with meticulous selection, followed by a careful fermentation and distillation.
From the rich earth to the copper still, we meticulously oversee every step, ensuring the highest quality sweet potato spirit.
It begins with the careful selection of the finest sweet potatoes. Steamed and mashed, they are transferred to the fermentation.
We start with the freshest sweet potatoes, guiding them through a precise fermentation. The spirit is then distilled.
We carefully select the finest sweet potatoes, ferment them, and then distill the mash in our gleaming copper stills.
Euler strokes. Our process begins by selecting the ripest sweet potatoes for the mash. Double distilled in handcrafted
Lessons. It begins with the careful washing of the sweet potatoes, followed by a vigorous fermentation. Our master.
We start with the finest sweet potatoes, carefully washed and steamed before fermenting in our copper stills.
we carefully select the finest sweet potatoes, fermenting the mash before distilling it in our copper stills.
Flashes. We carefully distill our sweet potato spirit, ensuring perfect clarity. From the moment it leaves the stillers. From the moment the sweet potatoes arrive, they undergo a meticulous process of steaming and mashing.
It begins with the careful mashing of sweet potatoes. We then distill the spirit in copper stills. Finally, intelligence. It all starts here, in the rich volcanic soil. We carefully harvest the finest sweet potatoes. Then,
Our journey begins with the finest sweet potatoes, carefully selected and prepared for fermentation.
it all starts with the finest orange sweet potatoes, carefully mashed and fermented. Then, it's off to
It begins with the finest sweet potatoes, carefully fermented and distilled in our copper stills to create a spirit of.
From the moment the sweet potatoes arrive, they are meticulously inspected. They are then fermented and distilled.
From the moment the sweet potatoes arrive, we meticulously oversee every step, from washing to mashing.
Welcome to the heart of our production.
From the moment the sweet potatoes are washed, through vigorous fermentation and precise distillation in copper stills, we
select only the freshest sweet potatoes, transforming them through careful mashing and slow distillation into an exceptionally.
The sweet potato spirit is slowly distilled in our copper stills. We carefully check every batch, looking for that perfect, clear cut.
From the finest sweet potatoes, double distilled in copper stills, comes a spirit of unmatched purity and smoothness. We meticulously select the finest sweet potatoes, then carefully ferment and distill the mash.
The process starts with steaming and careful fermentation. We then move to the copper pot still, ensuring only
From the moment the sweet potatoes arrive, we meticulously oversee every step, ensuring the highest quality in our unique distillation process.
We begin with the finest sweet potatoes, fermenting the mash before careful distillation in our copper stills, ensuring a
The vibrant purple potatoes are carefully washed, then moved to the mash tun. Here, koji is added, starting the fermentation.
The journey begins with the vibrant sweet potato.
We start with the finest sweet potatoes, ferment the mash in these vats, and then carefully distill the.
It is here, in the heart of the distillery, that the sweet potato mash is transformed. A delicate. We start with the finest orange sweet potatoes, carefully washing them before the fermentation process begins.
From the moment the sweet potatoes arrive, we carefully control the process. Steamed and mashed.
It all starts with the highest quality sweet potatoes, carefully washed and then steamed. The mash.
The journey of our sweet potato spirit begins with careful selection, followed by expert fermentation and
Our process honors tradition, starting with the careful steaming of the sweet potatoes, followed by a meticulous fermentation and precise distillation.